Mfowethu, ukuhleka konke namhlanje wathi wanna be part of this march. Kusho ukuthini lo nto?
Kunenziqiza noma kunodoti khona lo doti lo fashion kanjani. Yes, those are illegal. And we can't use our taxpayers. Influx of Pakistan, influx of Chinese, Taiwanese, all those people. What you need to work out. So yes, it's there's a mala, the abas, Nankamatama, who are seats, and what set up from intention. Sinabut, Bamba, standing Mala, woman Namala, who's also on the as far as it is wasted the money, anyway, you know, in South Africa, making what our department almost, especially ours with that, and our budget cuts.
Yes.
For an example, Department of Health, when budget cuts are 26 billion. So when a budget cut are 26 billion. Now, we find a food government who have accommodate clinics illegal immigrants. As far as isn't it proud so government if I handle one grammar countries and abantu babala stuff babala which has it's about late or it's about late if you come the general kanjalo now the peace of mind arrest them with our domestic issues but as they are domestic issues when these illegal immigrants
Njengoba siza okhathu ukuza kwethu kule march phela uDJ Waras ebe umunye wabantu akade championa indaba yokulwela ama-hijack building eGoli. So kusho ukuthini lokho ukuthi kune fight vele elisana nabantu bokufika abangenapha kodwa kuphinde kwenzeke isimo esifuzile.
Inkinga ke inkulu esinayo ku-government eSouth Africa. Let's zoom in with state security. Senzani state security? Yini umsebenzi waso? Ngoba ngelanga fake mhlawumbe lesibili uma senza ama-oversight ukuthi what is your role and responsibility to the state security? Because uDJ Waras ngabe azange kuthiwa i-state security senzani. So kuyakutshengisa lapho ukuthi kuneyimbobo eyikhona edinga and that is why regime change. And that is regime change. You remove the government of social media. And importantly, because importantly, you close down the Democratic Alliance. Our problem in South Africa, basically, politicians are South Africa. Let's get rid of white people. Who are the building? Now, man, the 30 years into democracy, we still have this nonsense record. And by the way, coming to nonsense is parliament and record. So it's 70. Now, nonsense record. We must get rid of white people in this country. Then we fix our issues. And secondly, if we are having another problem that we are facing in South Africa is this. Bathi nabantu abamnyama sifundisana ukuthi wena umkhosi awukuthi you are my family. We are brothers. Let's unite. Dr. Fitz wasemekhumantolo ukuthi let's unite. Let's unite as Africans and then fight one the neoliberalism that is in this country. But two, we fight the illegal immigrants. Then after that, there's issues there too. How we grow our economy, how we do things properly. But the problem is now, making if we must control on all costs, and the best nabantu abamnyama abathanda belunga lejwala sindana nabo lemthetho ngomcontestation abelungu nje nabo kufana ababukela back where they are coming from. Now lastly, township economy sezandleni zama-foreigners, illegal immigrants. Township economy barepha iy'ngane zethu. Na ufuna uthenga uthini kafishi uhambe uthenga ku-Somalian idayisela into ebolile kufa iy'ngane zethu. Kunokuba-government of the day axoshe the illegal immigrants. No. Uthi abatholi permit yokubulala iy'ngane zethu. So our problem is the DA and those who fear abelungu. So we must check that. Ube kuthiwa ngempela abantu abamnyama eSouth Africa ne-state security iyawenza umsebenzi wayo properly. Ngabo DJ walasakasho.
Umhlamuze nje ey'nsukwini eziyezikanye ube ne-statement asikhiphile la kade egxeka khona igama elithi illegal foreign immigrants elibeka ngokuthi i-instigator i-xenophobe. Thini khona kwa?
Ngicela ungaphawuli mhlawumbe. Ngicela ukuphawula ngento ethi anything engena in a country ngaphandle komthetho. That's our position. Bangena South Africa ngaphandle komthetho that's illegal. Whether you call it undocumented because undocumented is also illegal. So it's illegal for uma sithi umuntu akusiwa lana kangena ngokomthetho lo muntu u-illegal and uyi-criminal and you must be arrested. It's simple as that. Angeke ngikhuluma kakhulu ngenhlamulo ngizokhuluma ngeposition yomkhonto wesizwe. Illegal is illegal regardless of how you see it, but it's illegal.
But awucabanga ukuthi kupositione imicabango kakhulu yabalandeli inhlekati
siyakulungisa njengasekulungisa ukuthi umuntu oqhamuka ngaphandle whether uqhamuka eZimbabwe, whether uqhamuka eLesotho, whether uqhamuka eSwaziland, whether uqhamuka East Europe, whether uqhamuka kuphi uma engene ngokungomthetho lo muntu illegal ngihlala buyisele umuntu and into west ukuthi abaqhamuka ba illegal basebenza ama activities abo government balawo abantu ababuye bathatha ukucika yabo bayisebenzisa.
Last question. Yes, so we're trying to teach out Premier was in Natal through emotion of no consequence. Ayizange ngiphumelele kwaba nozame onbekhona ngeke alibalile ukuthi elwa but ngifisa ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho with the whole process.
Na uthi azange iphumelele shokuthi ngoba phela into enze njenge majority in the house because any into abantu abafika we understand there's a huge difference between majority nale gama elithi abalesihlungu sibuya kuyo but
not minority.
No, not minority. Okay, 50+1 but asikho lapho njengomkhonto wesizwe asibona 50+1 legislature siwu 47%. But laba okay ake senze example wena ungavuma esikolweni ukuthi mina ngithole i17% bese mina ngiphatha wena uthole 45% akwazi kwenzeka lokho but asikho lapho emotion azange iphumelele azange ifail. Into enze ukuthi waba khona ifail senziwa ukuthi thina njengomkhonto wesizwe sasifune sacrifice of which uspeaker legislature wayengafences. We are revolutionaries. Now, a revolutionary fight. So we are fighting for the right of our people. Because it's secret ballot, it is simple. Umuntu on members are voting party line. Because if party line has already failed. For the mere fact that you're on 17%, it means you have failed as an organization. China, we came in 5 months after, and then after that we got 45%. So now, in terms of procedural, even Numasia a court, one of them is that what keep a ruling, it may say because it may be represented the authority of the house. So, and number two, in South Africa, the constitutional court. Akwenza kwakhiye kwathatha ukuthi awukwazi ukufaka amaphoyisa kwichain la kwenziwa khona umthetho wesopola faka i-affective ban and on top of that mina angeke ngisakhaza ngoba manje bangishaya kuphi vele beyidile inhliso social media kodwa amaphoyisa angifaka isibha ilonke idolo somewhere umama uLP zethu honorable member pusha amaphoyisa base bayamgcoba uyositeacher manje uvukela umhlathi ngakho why because of the speaker uspeaker wayeshila ukuba impartial. So, I mean, those are the issues. But coming back to the issue of majority, but for the national part of majority, outright majority. That's not an outright majority, but we are a majority in the house. So, as a majority in the house, so 45%.
Yes.
Let me give you a simple mathematics. Nationally, ANC, 40%. Or, okay, you're the highest, then the rest are what are you going to do government? Lagos Meta Bogo
the other way around.
Yeah, it's the other way around. It's financial part of 17%. Ngeke madoda. Ngoba just isikole sethu sifata zidwo. Kodwa ngoba sika isikole sithi political institutions that. Bawu 17%, bawu 18%. And we are going to push this thing. And another thing that you must know, the house ayikava. Uma sibuyela ngoJanuary so khona sigcine khona. Phela indlu firstly umzwalayela ilento ispeech speaker uthi I am now suspending the house. And then after they've said to maphoyisa ngena phakathi escort member. Now uMindi ususpend. Uma futhi usuyipuyisa indlu, ukhalisa ibheni. Abangakhalisa ibheni. And thirdly, awukuvotwa uMindi. Uma uvota uba sesitulweni sakho. So kuningi okwaba wrong okwenziwa uSpeaker. Yingakho sizokuchallenge uma sivule legislature ngoJanuary next year.
I-confidence yenu ichaza ukuthi khona abantu kusithena senibamobilize.
Whether abantu bamobilizile or not, it's neither here nor there. But I can tell you, the secret ballot, uNtuli uzophuma. uNtuli, you know, my concern in media in general South Africa, and uzomuhlala ekhala ngemedia. My concern is that uPrima nayibuza wambuza ukuthi ufila kanjani secret ballot VC. I mean, if vote of no confidence why pass and stuff, ajabuleke na hey bebe bayachanta and all that. Abambuza ngani ukuthi wahamba yini nentombi uye New York, because sinkhipha ngoba hamba nentombi yakhe ubheka umama wakhe hamba eNew York, wasebenzisa imali yabakhokhi bentela they spent almost 2.5 million for that trip. Abambuza ngalezi zinto lezo. Abambuza ngani ukuthi yini osuyenzile uqoqa lonke lo vuku lama illegal immigrants ela KwaZulu-Natal. Nothing. iKwaZulu-Natal itheku igcwele amaphara. Because ama Nigerians are some drugs. There's human trafficking. But that advantage ngoba there are no job opportunities. But thatha amantombazana ethu ngoba adinga imali. Bafike balale nawo bawanikeza imali. Zonke izinto lezo asimbuzi ngani uPrima ngazo. Those things are important. Before we can even speak about whether the motion passed or failed and stuff. But ask the Prima, did you or you did not? Akusho and rokota ngihamba nentombi yakhe simnikeze ukufaka bese ayaphuma. It's as simple as that. But politicians bane tendency yokuthanda belungu. Wakabona phela belungu bemasha ngaphandle babe kuzuma MK. Abayimashe ANC yabelungu bamashela uZuma. Bahambile emhlathuze bathi in MK this MK that infinity MK. And by the way, Damas, whether we have capacity or not, it's neither here nor there. But abantu bakwaZulu-Natal 1.5 million voted for Mkhonto, and we are going to fight for that 1.5 million. And nala abanye abebesangaba sizobalwe until ugovernment wakwaZulu-Natal uba accountable for everything ezakala. Corruption is something else in this country. In South Africa, there are 3 pandemics. 1, corruption. 2, gender-based violence. 3, illegal immigrants. We must fight those things.
Umbuzo wokugcina, next year we're going for uhulumeni basekhaya, ama-local government elections. Mawubuka mhlawumbe state somkhonto lani nekhona, sizokwenza kanjani?
Sizowena. Soqala ngethi so khiba yonke le nto esenzakala la eCheckini ungena uMkhonto. And itheku sizolwina outright. 51+. Phela khumbula ukuthi, you know, when I always say kunendoda engihloniphayo ke ukuthi abantu banama views ahlukile ngayo. uJoseph Stalin of Russia once said, akunendaba ukuthi abavote kangakanani, kodwa ababalayo okubaleki ngoba laba abalayo bashiya ukuthi laba bavote kanjani. So in other words, i-vote leaking akuthinta namhlanje. Thina KwaZulu-Natal sayiwina ngaphezulu kwa-66%. Whether you believe that or you don't, but it's the truth. And abelungu besebenza no Rupert no Oppenheimer benza show for 2 hours batshontsha amavote ethu. Hambi emlazi ubotha sasivota kanjani. Babe siphethe la KwaZulu-Natal basiphethe. Why? Because those who count determines who win the election. But come next year, local government elections will show themselves.
Ngisana i-confidence ku Cyril Ramaphosa.
Cha, asikaze saba nayo. Futhi sisole saba nayo. Nayo uyakwazi lokho. Asinayo futhi asikaze saba nayo. Uma Cyril ufuna sibe ne-confidence kuyena. Akaqale akhiphe 1 ama-bank statement. SCR 70 years. 2, akade ne-issue phalaphala. Akekho umuntu eSouth Africa ono-right yokubeka imali engaka. By the way, awukwazi ukuhamba emgwaqeni uphethe 100,000 uyaboshwa. Kodwa uCyril Ramaphosa also fabathi babethole imali. And emva kwalokho nje it's business as usual. Iyayithekela nje athi G20 this, G20 that. Abantu bamshayela izandla bathi hey president has spoken, hey president for third term. Higher account, bank statement, then iphalaphala. So asikaze saba nayo, futhi asobe saba nayo. Yabona ke the worst thing ever in this country is Cyril Ramaphosa.
Ramaphosa, we appreciate your time.
Siyabonga mfethu.
Siyabonga.
Okay. Hawu mnganami.